Okay pa ka, sir?
Yawa. Lisa ng storya.
Oh my God! Oh my God! 5 na lang akong dagan! Hala! 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 Unsa naman na, oy! Sakay na yung motor, sir! Ha! Hala!
Wala sige ate.
Sir, sure ba na kaya akitin ang bike to? Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So it's gonna be a super exciting one because we are in Jolo, Sulu, if you haven't figured out from the montage of this video. So coming from Cebu, I flew via airplane, commercial airplane to Zamboanga, and then from Zamboanga I was being escorted by some of the military personnel that are based there. Huge thanks to Sergeant Bagninit and company for taking care of me. I stayed for a few hours in Camp Inrile. I was able to actually squeeze in a solid run there before I rode the ferry to Sulu. Sir, ano nga pang pangalan mo? Ang bilis ng minti ni Sir, 4:30. Oh, 4:20 na. Hindi daw siya runner, ha? Exercise lang daw. But yeah, we're here in Sulu. I'm here in one of the military camps here in Sulu. I don't know the name, I forgot. So we're actually out for a ride now to tour around Sulu. We have a race on Sunday, by the way. We'll be doing Sulu Tri, so it will be the first time that there will be a triathlon here in Jolo or here in Sulu. Right, so we're here in Charlie Company. Kung saan yung pangalan ng lugar?
Budbayog.
Right, Budbayog Camp. So we're here with Captain Kisly Maligro. Siya ito ang ride buddy today. Let's go.
So, we rode around a few towns in Sulu. I was just amazed by the lush greenery and I came to appreciate the simple living here in the island. It was already about 9 a.m. when we headed out, but it still didn't feel quite as hot because the place is surrounded with trees. And as soon as we entered some of the more obscure roads, I quickly realized that this is more of a privilege ride rather than a regular one. I was privileged enough to ride the mountains of Sulu safely, I might add. These roads were previously camps of the MSAF, and we passed by some base camps of the MNLF. Even the bike wanderer Cesar Lim didn't ride here when she was here. So I feel quite honored to be here.
Okay, so we're riding our bikes here in Sulu. We have here Captain Maligro with us, and we have a military escort in the back. But so far, been riding here, super peaceful, and walay laing nagbike kamera. So we're gonna try out a climb here called Mount Budukay. Sir, ito yung pangalan to, sir?
Budukay.
Bud here is Mount. Right. Action na, Piki. Look. Super nice here. Diyos ko. Papanahuman. Climbing Budukay or Mount Dukay. Super steep. The good thing is it's a lot of trees, you can shelter yourself because it's about 12 noon. But look at that climb. Okay. More climbing. Judging from that road, it looks like it's over 20%. Di sad lalim, ha, di sad lalim. Estimate is mga about 16 to 18%. Nya, halos way human-human. Budol. Ang sabi dito daw kami maglalaan sa bahay ni Kapitan.
Okay, Captain ng Tapay.
Barangay Captain sana.
Barangay
Yung venue
Ginagay sa pinakatop-top.
Linagay sa pinakatuktok ng bundok. So, problema, aakyat na naman kami. Akala ko tapos na.
A few moments later.
Okay pa ka, sir?
Yawa. Listen ang storya.
Oh my God! Oh my God! 5 na lang akong dagan! Hala! 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 Unsa naman na, oy! Sakay na yung motor, sir! Ha! Hala!
Wala ko si ate.
Sir, sure ba na kaya akitin ang bike to?
Tingnan mo yung baba.
Alright, so that is the peak of Budtukay. So I want to thank their captain Arsiaga Baanan. I hope I didn't butcher the name, but thank you so much for accommodating and inviting us to the peak of Budtukay. And thank you so much for the feast that you have prepared for us at the peak. We also toured around the view deck and around the campsites and at the very peak of Budtukay.
Alright, so we're hiking up to what is supposedly a campsite. Sir, budol ni sir, di man ni campsite tawag ani sir. But look at the view. I don't know if the camera can see, but there's lush greenery there, coconuts, and then very thick forest there.
And so after we ate lunch at Budtukay, Captain Kesley and I rode for more miles around Sulu.
Alright, so if you look at that, big trees. Since the interior roads here in Sulu are of lush greenery, it almost feels like you're going through the same roads again and again. It's always like this. Animals on the road, very less houses, and full of trees.
We actually went to some very nice beaches there, and we biked through communities as well. It was really a very good experience to see the stunning views of Sulu and to also see its people.
Alright, so this beach lot, according to Captain Maligro, is where most of the troops will recover, take a bath after days, weeks, and even months of operations in the mountains. So you would imagine that you would feel pretty filthy by then. So this is where they take a dip and take a bath. Alright, so as you can see, look at that beach.
Silangkan iko, Silangkan Beach.
Silangkan Beach. Magunsa mo diri sa una?
Diri may mangligo kung after operation ko banya kator lawas. Bumuls ko an.
Dutay.
Tubig sa dagat.
Pila ka adlaw mabukid?
Depende.
Average.
Mga kuan ko 5 to 10 days na ana ko.
Alright, so this is the kind of beach you will find just at the side of the road. Not a resort, no entrance fees.
May rason ko di ko malingog. Dagat Cebu.
Just another at the side of the road beach. Look at that. Ah, di. Duta diri oy. And would you look at this place? Wow. Wow. Alright guys, check out the sand. I don't know if the camera can see, pero murag iodized salt. Wow. Super fine sand. Look. Ah. Right. If you can see, the water is super clear. That's what happens if you don't have so much humans destroying nature. Ah, mauna ni. Mauna ni. Final exam. So, the ride back to camp is like this. Ah. Nakita yung uli. And so that is it for this video. So if you've liked this episode, please do give us a follow or a subscribe and leave it a like if you have enjoyed this content. Definitely I still have loads of videos in my laptop, and I will do a second and a third episode. But before I do that, I just want to thank a few people for making this vlog possible. Huge shout out to Major General Ignatius Patrimonio, Commander of the 11th Infantry Alakdan Division, to Lieutenant Colonel Ray De Lima, Battalion Commander of 41st Infantry Partner for Peace Battalion, and to Honorable Arciaga Baanan, the Chieftain or the Captain of Barangay Tukay in Parang Sulu, and also to First Lieutenant Kate Oresco, Admin Officer of the 11th Infantry Division. Thank you so much for facilitating my travel to Sulu, and last but not the least, thank you so much to Captain Kesley Maligro for making sure that I am well taken care of in this trip and for touring me around. So next up is the race vlog, so that will be the Tri Sulu 2024, and then after that I have a very informative and a very insightful interview with Major General Patrimonio, so stay tuned for that. For now, this is it. Peace.